Welcome back to my channel, girls. So in this video, I will be showing you a DIY wedding arch. DIY wedding ceremony decorations, decorating ideas. So there you go. But I'm gonna tie this DIY. You see, girl, you see. Anyway, so welcome back, boo. Enjoy the show, the video. Yeah. Let's get it started, girl. Bring the heights of the backdrop stands down because I'll leave it up for right now. So yeah. Okay, you guys. So I have these flower panels that I got off Amazon. Everything you see in this video is gonna be linked in the comment section, and I'm gonna say products links. And I got everything off Amazon as well. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a flower type of floor. You know owl runner. You know how the owl runner is. I'm gonna put a picture like right up in here to just show you guys like my inspiration. Oh, and don't look at my janky nails, girl. Okay. But I'm gonna put a picture of the inspiration that I got to this idea from, and it's not gonna look like the exact same, but you get where I'm coming from. But anyway, so we're just gonna make like a floral floral runner rug wedding floor. Okay. Inserts where you can clip them together and it holds, because girl, I couldn't find my zip ties, boo. Okay, so do what you gotta do to keep this together. together, okay? But I think I'm gonna do I think I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. Cause it comes in 15 pieces. So I think I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do, girl. So let me piece all this together and yeah. What the floor looks like, and those are the drapes right there. And so now I'm about to just put some cute decor right here, like wedding decor on both sides. So yeah, but girl, that is so cute though. Is just so cute to me. Like, girl, I couldn't find my other candle, okay? But that sets it off though, okay? It sets it off. Y'all, I'm seriously over here trying to give me a good thumbnail, and it's not working in my favor. It's really not. This is like, I done tried laying on the floor. I'm up in the chair. I'm over it, like for real. And it looks so beautiful in person, but then when I'm trying to make a thumbnail, it just takes away my creativity in the beautifulness of this wedding ceremony little setup. Okay guys, so I have an updated version of this look and everything. So first things first, I got 2 extra ivory panels. Actually, they're sheer curtains, girl. Improvisable. Improvise, okay, girl. And guess how much I got it for? I don't know, but it wasn't no more than $10. I can tell y'all that. Coins. save your coins. Anyway, so one, those are new, and then you guys have seen those little garland, little flowers, little garlands and whatever. So yeah, I just felt like something was missing up there, you know, and I wanted to look more bubblicious and not so blah, you know what I'm saying? Because we ain't basic, boo, okay? We ain't basic, okay? But yeah, but I love it. It came out gorgeous. Oh, and I moved the little backdrop, the little setup, ceremony setup, because I didn't like how I was able to see all this extra stuff in the background. Ugh, I couldn't deal. And then, girl, it was just hard trying to make a thumbnail, so I made a better thumbnail. That's what I was working on as well. But it's so pretty. I'm excited. So hopefully you guys love this video. I'm gonna just do a voice over at the end, because right now how I'm looking right now is not cute. So,